How to change email of Xbox account. So if you want to change email from your Xbox account, then first of all open up your browser and then simply go for Xbox, and after searching here you will have www.xbox.com. Click on that and go for sign in, which is on the upper right, and make sure to sign into your account. And after signing in you can go for my Microsoft account, and now you can simply click on your name, and after clicking on your name it will take you to your profile. So here you can simply scroll down and here you will have your email, right? So you can simply go for sign in preferences, which is here on the left, and here you need to enter your password to verify, and here this kind of interface appears, right? So now what you can do is if you have two email address under here, then you can simply click on remove and then you can make the another email address your primary email address. But if you don't have that, then you can simply click on add email, and then you need to enter your email address, the new email address which you would like to add or which you would like to change. So make sure to add an email address which is make sure to add an email address through which you have not created an account yet. So make sure to enter a new email address which doesn't have a Microsoft account. And after entering the email address, you will have two email addresses here, right? So what you can do is you can simply click on remove to the email address which you would like to remove. And after removing that email address, the next email address which you have entered just now or which you have added just now will be the primary email address. So that's it. That's how you change email of your Xbox account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.